Hello and welcome to the video. As you can see by the title today, we're going to be comparing a stock GT4 exhaust system to my OPF back Milltek system. So if you haven't watched the latest video on the channel, if you click up here, you can see that I got a Milltek system from Milltek HQ recently on my GT4. It's just a back box system. Both of our cars, and a big shout out to Sevi for lending me his car today for the video, both of our cars have a car graphic valve controller as well. What does that mean? It just means that we can keep our valves permanently open. So bear that in mind when you're watching this video. Also, Sevi's car is a PDK car only and mine's a manual, so when Sevi changes gears, there's going to be a significant difference in sound versus my car. My car, you'll get a gap from when I change to a different gear, whereas Sevi's car will be a continuous sound. I will also overlay some clips from an older video that I used to do, that I've done of just my stock GT4, to kind of give you a better comparison. We're in the same location as well to try and keep things similar. But yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like it, comment the usual, and let's get revving, let's get driving. Yeah, that's closed.